started the first installation, I believe it was in November of 2013, and then we added from there. We started off with one unit that we put in the den, and I guess that was, we gave it the test to see what it would do.
And after that first unit went in,
yeah,
what did I tell you?
That's right, then there'll be more. This is a log home. Air distribution is a challenge if it's not done totally correct to start with. And at the same time, you're paying a high utility bill.
When it's on every room, you're paying to cool every room. This way, I just turn the ones on in the rooms that I'm using.
It enabled us to put units where we needed conditioning, both heating and cooling. And I'm just totally impressed with the amount of heat that these guys put out. Using the Mitsubishi remote, it gives you infinite control, and you can adjust it to any of your desires to be comfortable. We have a 7,000 square foot house that we are comfortable in now. Anytime there's an opportunity for me to extol the virtues of the product, rest assured, I do.